morning. So today I think we will be waving our tools around and putting this thing back together, which is the ultimate now dad rock guitar. That's right, you Tool fans, you are dad rockers. Tool isn't dad rock. Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. Just my music's also dad rock, but so's Tool. Anyway, we're gonna put this thing back together, and I do appreciate when you guys comment, although sometimes it's pretty silly. Also, hey, I did make it over 1,000 subscribers, which I think is crazy, but that's awesome. Appreciate you guys, and yeah, one of my friends told me, he's like, check out the comments on your Les Paul video, because I hadn't really been paying attention over the weekend, and wow, Epiphone's better, Gibson's better, they're both crap. There, okay. You guys, this thing I bought that I didn't build is way better than that thing that you didn't build and just paid money for. Calm it down. Jeez, you guys. I would never play a Gibson. I have an Epiphone. Cool story, bro. Congratulations. Nobody's ever said those words before. But yeah, anyway, that's just my... It was making me laugh, that's all. You know, I don't get wound up by comments, even nasty ones. I just laugh at them. But that was really funny. So here, let's put this thing fully back together. We got all the pickups out, and if you guys didn't see the teardown, this is that's that. Let's open up this one. Come on out. Check this guy out. You can see the high quality precision routing from the 70s. It definitely justifies this thing being $10,000. Let's see. What else we got? Looks like, I think I noticed before, this knob looks original. Let's see if I can get it to do it. There, come on, catch it in the light. There it goes. See how it's dished out? And those aren't. There we go. That's a better shot. So those 3 knobs could have been changed, or they just didn't do the thing. I don't know. My pickup ring all warped out like that. That looks like 10 grand worth of quality. And here, I'll flip it. Let's get those pickups secured. And we'll clean it up. And I'll keep my amazing commentary going until people show up. And then yeah, well, it's tough to talk when people are around, because we have people in here that say things that aren't exactly YouTube friendly. So to save me from a ton of editing, and, you know, we'll go silent Bob mode at that point. Anyway, you guys get in the holder. And pause. All right, swing out a little bit. There we go. Now you can see. Okay. So first off, let's clean the board. We're gonna use some highly controversial steel wool. Here, let me just put it right there. I'm gonna wind some of you guys up. I hope so. It's not gonna hurt the pickups at all. I wouldn't do that to a vintage guitar just to make a point. Oh, if that was my guitar, I'd never do. Save it. It's not going to hurt anything. Yes, it looks like there's actual bare wire in there, but it's actually coated. If there was no coating on that wire and would allow for steel wool to actually come in contact with bare wire, your pickup would not work. It would be what's known in the business as broken. All right. Although I guess I haven't heard much of that. I used to get those comments on Facebook. That was, I don't put anything on the repair guru pages, which, it's kind of like idiot comments just all the time. Not talking about the guys that came over from there and are here, obviously. You know who I'm talking about. All the experts who basically work on one guitar a month and don't ever show pictures of their work. Okay, all right. That looks pretty good. This one wasn't all that bad anyway. What's that? What's that? What was that? Slobber? A jewel on it? Hey, look. Oh, there's some fine cracks in the ebony there. I want to seal that one. I can feel that one. Yeah, let's seal those up. I'll take care of that. It's not going to hurt. It's not going to hurt. It's not going to hurt anything. Get all the dust out. That's your tone in there. There. But yeah, ebony cracks. I've been seeing a lot of those comments lately. People, I just bought this and it's got cracks in the fingerboard. Oh my god, and the sky is falling. Ebony cracks. Look, see here. I'm going to go get super glue them all out. But here, let's zoom in and see if this will work. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the one I just saw? No, I can't. Oh yeah, right there. Oh yeah, I always lined up on it. Why don't you guys be able to see that? There it is. You know, it happens. There. And I'll show you how to fix that though. It's pretty easy. So stay tuned for that. We'll fix that. We'll get this thing cleaned up. I'll pick on tools some more, and Gibson fans, and Upfoam fans. Well, fans in general. But hang on, I need more super glue. Pause. All right, so we're gonna have to go quiet now. No more of my amazing hysterical commentary. again, I want to thank everybody for watching and making comments, liking, sharing, subscribing. All that stuff does help. Again, we hit 1,000 people who want to watch my nerdy guitar videos, and I really appreciate that. So anyway, here's a last look at the tool bag guitar. And this goes out to all you tool bags out there. Thanks again. We appreciate you, and see ya!